How to invest in Ethereum for beginners. Welcome to my channel. Investing in Ethereum for beginners is a relatively straightforward process. Here are the steps you can follow. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So let's start. Get a wallet. Before investing in Ethereum, you need to have a wallet to store your Ethereum. A wallet is a software program that allows you to send, receive, and store Ethereum. There are many different types of wallets available, including desktop, mobile, and web-based wallets. Sure, getting a wallet is the first step in investing in Ethereum. Here's how you can get a wallet. Choose a wallet. There are different types of wallets available, including software wallets, hardware wallets, and paper wallets. Each type has its own advantages and disadvantages. Software wallets are free and easy to use, while hardware wallets are more secure but come with a cost. Paper wallets are offline and considered the most secure but require more technical knowledge to use. Download the wallet. Once you have chosen your wallet, download it from a trusted source. Be sure to verify that you are downloading the official version of the wallet to avoid any scams or security issues. Install and set up the wallet. Follow the instructions to install and set up the wallet. You will be prompted to create a password and a recovery phrase. Be sure to keep these safe as they will be needed to access your wallet. Receive your Ethereum. Once your wallet is set up, you can receive Ethereum by providing your wallet address to the sender. Your wallet address is a long string of letters and numbers that is unique to your wallet. Be sure to double-check the address before sending or receiving Ethereum to avoid any mistakes. Secure your wallet. It is important to keep your wallet secure by following best practices such as enabling two-factor authentication, keeping your password and recovery phrase safe, and avoiding sharing your private keys with anyone. Overall, getting a wallet is an important step in investing in Ethereum as it allows you to securely store and manage your Ethereum holdings. Buy Ethereum. Once you have your wallet, you can buy Ethereum from a cryptocurrency exchange. There are many different exchanges available, but some of the most popular include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. You can fund your account using a bank transfer, credit card, or debit card. Sure, here's how you can buy Ethereum. Choose a cryptocurrency exchange. To buy Ethereum, you need to use a cryptocurrency exchange. There are many exchanges available, but some of the most popular ones include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. Be sure to do your research and choose a reputable exchange with low fees. Sign up for an account. Once you have chosen an exchange, sign up for an account by providing your personal information and verifying your identity. The verification process may take some time, but it is necessary to comply with regulations and ensure the security of the exchange. Fund your account. After your account is set up, you can fund it using a bank transfer, credit card, or a debit card. Each exchange has its own deposit methods and fees, so be sure to check them before making a deposit. Buy Ethereum. Once your account is funded, you can buy Ethereum by placing an order on the exchange. You can either place a market order, which buys Ethereum at the current market price, or a limit order, which allows you to set a specific price at which you want to buy Ethereum. Transfer Ethereum to your wallet. After you have purchased Ethereum, transfer it to your wallet by providing your wallet address on the exchange. Be sure to double-check the address before initiating the transfer to avoid any mistakes. Overall, buying Ethereum is a straightforward process that involves choosing an exchange, signing up for an account, funding your account, and placing an order to buy Ethereum. Be sure to keep your Ethereum secure by transferring it to your wallet as soon as possible after purchasing it on the exchange. Store your Ethereum. Once you have purchased Ethereum, it is important to store it securely in your wallet. Be sure to keep your private keys safe and never share them with anyone. Sure, here's how you can store your Ethereum. Choose a wallet. To store your Ethereum securely, you need to choose a wallet. There are different types of wallets available, including software wallets, hardware wallets, and paper wallets. Each type has its own advantages and disadvantages, so be sure to choose a wallet that meets your needs and preferences. Download the wallet. Once you have chosen your wallet, download it from a trusted source. Be sure to verify that you are downloading the official version of the wallet to avoid any scams or security issues. Install and set up the wallet. Follow the instructions to install and set up the wallet. You will be prompted to create a password and a recovery phrase. Be sure to keep these safe, as they will be needed to access your wallet. Transfer Ethereum to your wallet. After your wallet is set up, transfer your Ethereum from the exchange to your wallet by providing your wallet address on the exchange. Be sure to double-check the address before initiating the transfer to avoid any mistakes. Secure your wallet. It is important to keep your wallet secure by following best practices such as enabling two-factor authentication, keeping your password and recovery phrase safe, and avoiding sharing your private keys with anyone. Overall, storing your Ethereum in a wallet allows you to have full control and ownership over your cryptocurrency holdings. Be sure to keep your wallet secure and back up your recovery phrase to avoid any loss of funds. Monitor your investment. Like any investment, it is important to monitor the price of Ethereum and the market conditions. You can use websites like CoinMarketCap or TradingView to track the price of Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies. Sure, here are some tips on how to monitor your Ethereum investment. Keep track of the Ethereum price. The price of Ethereum can be highly volatile and can change rapidly. You can use various websites or mobile apps to track the price of Ethereum in real time. Some popular options include CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, and TradingView. Set price alerts. You can set price alerts on your preferred cryptocurrency exchange or mobile app to notify you when the price of Ethereum reaches a certain level. This can help you stay informed and make informed decisions about when to buy or sell Ethereum. Follow the news. Keep up to date with the latest news and developments in the cryptocurrency industry, as this can have a significant impact on the price of Ethereum. You can follow cryptocurrency news websites or social media accounts to stay informed. Keep an eye on the market sentiment. The sentiment of the cryptocurrency market can influence the price of Ethereum. You can follow social media channels, such as Twitter or Reddit, to gauge the sentiment of the community. Regularly review your investment strategy. As with any investment, it is important to regularly review your investment strategy and adjust it as necessary. This may involve rebalancing your portfolio, setting stop-loss orders, or adjusting your risk tolerance. Overall, monitoring your Ethereum investment requires staying informed about the market, setting price alerts, and regularly reviewing your investment strategy. By doing so, you can make informed decisions about buying, holding, or selling Ethereum. Sell or trade. If you decide to sell or trade your Ethereum, you can do so on a cryptocurrency exchange. Be sure to research the exchange and understand their fees and withdrawal policies before making any trades. Yes, that's correct. If you decide to sell or trade your Ethereum, you can do so on a cryptocurrency exchange. Here are the steps to sell or trade your Ethereum. Choose a cryptocurrency exchange. Similar to when buying Ethereum, you'll need to choose a reputable cryptocurrency exchange that supports Ethereum. Some popular exchanges include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. Sign up for an account. If you haven't already, sign up for an account on the exchange and complete the necessary verification steps to comply with regulations and ensure the security of the exchange. Transfer Ethereum to the exchange. Transfer the Ethereum you want to sell or trade from your wallet to the exchange. Be sure to double-check the wallet address and the amount of Ethereum you are sending. Place a sell or trade order. Once the Ethereum is in your exchange account, you can place a sell or trade order. If you want to sell your Ethereum for fiat currency, you can place a sell order at the current market price. If you want to trade Ethereum for another cryptocurrency, you can place a trade order to exchange Ethereum for the other cryptocurrency. Withdraw funds or transfer cryptocurrency. Once your sell or trade order is filled, you can withdraw your funds or transfer the cryptocurrency you received to your wallet. Be sure to check the withdrawal policies and fees on the exchange before initiating a withdrawal. Overall, selling or trading Ethereum on a cryptocurrency exchange involves choosing a reputable exchange, transferring Ethereum to the exchange, placing a sell or trade order, and withdrawing funds or transferring cryptocurrency to your wallet. Be sure to research the exchange and understand their fees and policies before making any trades. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.